We're rolling.
Okay, we're going to put some fuel in this carburetor.
Oh, okay.
See, I didn't have much happening. So hopefully it goes into the motor here. So that's called choking the motor. It's not choked. Or priming, as they call back in the old days. Well, I figure is the rings aren't really pulling hard enough to get a good draw on the carburetor to make it work correctly, I'm guessing, but it sure feels like it's got enough draw. And we'll see if it runs like this. If it does, fine. If it dies, then we'll pull the carburetor all apart. See what's going on with it.
Oh, man. Oh.
So let's see what we got.
Whoa, we got a pop.
Feeling the whole help.
Come on. Come on. Shoot. Ain't doing nothing, huh? Dog it. Unbelievable, man.
You know, have some fuel in it. It fired. I'll put some more in there. Don't know.
Gee.
If that ain't enough, I'll put more in it.
Just can't believe this damn bike.
So that's how much goes in there when you flood it. Quite a bit. The disadvantage of this is we oil. You can fuel wash the spark plug and they won't fire no more. So you have to check the spark plugs to make
See if they're wet.
Yeah, they don't work when they're wet. And raw fuel doesn't burn very well either. It has to be atomized.
That spit it. Well, yeah. Come on, girl. Man. Damn bike. Can't believe this motherfucker, man. Fuck. Man. Just can't believe this damn bike. I'm getting so frustrated with this damn bike.
Yeah, you're too damn busy about being mad about nothing. Just gotta get the run. Once you get a run, then you can adjust things and it works.
Yeah. It's just getting there. Were they wet?
Yeah, it doesn't look wet.
Yeah.
You got a lot of anti-seizer on everything now.
Well, that stuff's so...
Yeah, but it should never be near the top of the plug.
I always put them right here.
Yeah, but it's all over the top of the plug. You don't run very good when you got anti-seize in your spark plugs. It's very hard to fire a plug when you get anti-seize in there because it shorts out the plug.
Mm-hmm.
That could be some of your problems too, I don't know. Right now, it looks like fuel issue is the biggest problem.
Yeah.
I understand why we're not getting fuel flow.
Same thing?
It's dry. They don't run very good when they're dry. It takes fuel to make a motor run. Just hoping you don't have a problem with anti-seize on your damn spark plugs. See how much crap's coming off there? Shouldn't have anything on your spark plug. You got way too much anti-seize where it doesn't belong. If you got anti-seize in your spark plugs, they will never fire. See all that?
Damn, really?
These plugs are full of anti-seize, which is not good.
Gee.
Cleaner now, see?
Man.
They're gonna have clean rags on we're Harleys. Now that destroys spark plugs real quick having anti-seize on this. It's a good way to have a bad spark plugs. But I think we got more than one issue right now, so I'm not gonna worry about the spark plug being a problem. Still be a problem. To get fuel in there first. I know at least one was working because it fired a couple times.
Well, I mean, yeah. Man, it looked like it was just gonna go off right there.
Hopefully some of that goes in the hole on the other side.
Whoa. Getting that gas out now.
Should be doing that though. Should be spitting gas out. It should be sucking it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, good cylinder.
Man. You want me to give it a shot?
Problem you got low compression in one cylinder, it'll not much better. Alright.
Nothing?
I don't have enough suck to do anything.
So you think it's the carb then?
No, I think it's the rings are not sealed because you've been cooking on it for 100 years and there's nothing doing it.
Oh, fuck.
It's not likely to get carb with the issue. More tricks. If you watch my 57 drag bike, we were trying to start the motor up, had the same issue.
Really?
Yeah, it sat for 8 years. So took me a half hour to get the thing to start. Once it got running, adjusted everything.
It was good.
It started up on the first or second kick thereafter. It was just getting it to run initially was the problem. When the rings don't seal, you don't get draw, you don't get compression. So it makes it hard to run. So I'm gonna
So
try-
that's what's going on then?
I'm assuming that's
Yeah.
the issue, I don't know. We fixed all the other problems.
Yeah,
so
I mean,
if you watch what I did in the video, I did the same thing. I went back and forth and doing a lot of things.
Yeah.
And it didn't. It just had to get to the point where it would start. When you're kicking on something, you don't have much power. Once you start, it overcomes them problems. 'cause
well,
it spins
yeah,
so fast.
spinning so fast.
These your bump start to do that.